High street pharmacies join the rollout of the coronavirus vaccine as the UK records its highest daily death toll.
New rules requiring travellers arriving in England to have a negative coronavirus test have been delayed.
Good morning. Premier League players continue to embrace each other after scoring. There's little evidence of social distancing, despite teams being reminded of the protocols.
Yesterday, a further 47,525 new cases of coronavirus were reported. And 1,564 people were recorded to have died within 28 days of a positive COVID test, the highest number since the pandemic began.
From today, victims of domestic abuse will be able to use a code word to get help at thousands of pharmacies across the UK. Now, anyone who asks a member of staff for Annie will be taken to a safe space to contact support services. 1 in 5 offences recorded by police during the first national lockdown in England and Wales involved domestic abuse. This is according to figures from the Office for National Statistics. We'll get more on that with the Safeguarding Minister Victoria Atkins at 7:30.
Train services are being cut by nearly 30% in England because of the third lockdown. The industry body, the Rail Delivery Group, say it will provide better value for money for taxpayers who are subsidising services which are carrying less passengers. Let's have a look at the front pages for you right now. The Guardian reflecting on the UK passing what it calls a grim milestone of 100,000 deaths from coronavirus. That's a collated figure. The paper pays tribute to just a few of the human stories behind that statistic.
The Daily Mail strikes a more positive tone, saying that there are now more than 21 million Covid jabs in Britain that have taken place, although not all of the vaccine batches have passed regulatory checks. So these jabs, 21 million jabs available in the UK, but they haven't passed all the regulatory checks. Many aren't yet in vials.
So a look at the Times also gives some reason for optimism. It leads on a study which shows that surviving coronavirus leaves you with an immune defence as good as that delivered by any vaccine.